25, 2020, 60-minute chart. Dow Jones Industrial Average ended up 260 points on Friday. You heard me. Not only that, though, for the week, it ended down. Once again, let's go back and recap on this 60-minute chart back over here when we called the bottoms and rah-rah on 4-6 with that gap. We had great volatility with the fade back to test those highs. Then we burned up. Then we faded back. Stocks did the same thing. So the options trading was paying several 100% in stocks. Much better than a bull market or much better than any markets that we've had. You may not know how to handle the volatility. We're market makers in the option pit. And we do it electronically right here in all the different option exchanges. And we control the prices. Yeah. Now, let's just talk about the volatility of where we're at in the Dow up here on 417. What we want to take a look at is that high of 242. That's it right here. So basically what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow this up. It's pure mathematics. Each line, this is a high frequency trading app. It is also a market maker app for the option pit as far as the equity goes. So here we are, and this is the crown jewel up here moving forward into next week. Earnings season's in full bloom. You got Microsoft, you got Apple, you got Google. Who else do you think you got? Facebook. There's 4 of them. There's one more. And the thing about it is it's going to move markets, and it is. And stocks are priced to perfection in the current environment. Going back to work, virus, vaccine, all of this kinds of things that have happened and whatnot has created one of the best traders market. Yeah, we're the market makers. We guide you. You haven't had the success even before the virus and the extreme bear market. Otherwise, you wouldn't watch the video. Not only that, the rat places you went down in the retail sector weren't no good either. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. We're market makers. We have the live trading room. We provide the entries and the exits. I don't care what you say. All you got to do is take the free 5-day trial, see it, watch it, get paid. You want to get paid? I would say now's the time to get paid. This is the best time. So on the Dow Jones, we're going to have some major obstacles to overcome. And that's going to be the highs that we had over here on 417. And the volatility is a lot lower than what it was. So that's come down considerably. So Joe Blow, that doesn't know what he's doing, he can try to go in there and do something with the market. Whether he walks away with a profit or not, who knows? I would rather doubt it in this kind of volatility, which is you got to know how to trade it. Surrender. We're masters at it. Get with it. 2420 over here. We went straight down. We called that top last week. It's on the YouTube channel. Do I have to pull up the YouTube channel to show you? Anyway. Go ahead and join us. Dow Jones, we got top end resistance coming up here. We're front loaded for the calendar earnings next week to close out the month of April and moving into May Day. And as we do that, the lower volatility is in the current cycle with lower volume in the broader exchanges as we know it. Making a market right now in the Dow is getting in that free 5-day trial and taking responsibility and making a lot of money off of this. But not only that, why don't you take action and watch it live? Dow Jones, upper end of that resistance, volatility will remain. We'll update on Sunday night with the Dow Jones futures, front loaded earnings, top in resistance, lower volatility, great trading ranges in the equities that we're going to be covering today. along with the S&P 500 will also cover the fear indicator. That has come way down, extremely way down, which means less volatility. But the option market is paying better than it's ever paid. It's paying better than no one has ever seen it pay as good as I've seen this option market pay as a market maker and giving you the entry and the exits. Dow Jones top end resistance 24.2, 24.6, 24.8. We'll just round the number off. Right below 25,000 would be 24,995 would be the upper end if we were to blow through the reversal highs. Last week, net, the Dow Jones ended up negative in the 5-day period, no matter what you say.